Hi everyone and welcome back to HomeHeadChef. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make buttermilk at home. Now if you're like me, sometimes you buy a half a gallon of buttermilk and all you need out of it is a cup and ends up sitting in the fridge and going bad. Today I'm going to show you how to make a substitute buttermilk that's just as good. So let's step up to the cutting board and see what we need. For this recipe we're only going to need two things. 1 cup of milk. Now you can use whole, 2%, whatever you prefer. I like to go with whole because it has the higher fat content, which is great for baking. And we're also going to need 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, but you can also use white vinegar. The only thing we're going to do is we're going to add in the lemon juice into a bowl first, add in our milk, give this a little stir, and we're going to let this sit for about 5 minutes. Now in just 5 short minutes we have a fantastic buttermilk substitute. Now what has happened is the acidity from the lemon has slightly curdled the milk. If you look, you can actually see some of the curds, and that lemon has added that nice little tart element that's in buttermilk. And this is good in your fridge for up to a week, or you can use it right away. And that's how you can make buttermilk at home in a matter of seconds. You can use this in your baking, you can use it as a marinade for fried chicken, which tonight I'm going to make a southern fried chicken sandwich for dinner, so I'm going to be using this to marinate my chicken. Hope you enjoyed this video. If so, please hit that thumbs up button. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe. Don't forget, I also have an outdoor channel that involves hunting, fishing, magnet fishing, trapping, stuff like that. So if that's stuff that you're into, you can shoot head on over and check that out. It's called Tagged Out. I'll have a link for that down in the description. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one.